Okay, so hey guys, it's me, Hedy. So today I wanted to do a tutorial on how you can run all of the other apps like Crunchyroll, Netflix, everything through um, Steam Store and play it with Steam Link. Because as you can see, if I go on Steam, right now, Steam Link is very cheap. It's only $2.50, which is cheaper than Chromecast, and it's used to like stream games and things to your TV. But you would wanna Steam or stream. God damn it! What is wrong with me? I can't speak English today. But if you want to stream, let's say anime or Netflix shows to your TV, there's multiple ways to do this. The easiest way is to just minimize Steam Big Picture mode, which is fairly easy. If you're in big picture mode, you just minimize it and it'll work. But then it gives you your desktop, so you have to control control your mouse and everything with your Steam controller or mouse and keyboard if it is attached to Steam Link, and then go to the website and play it. But sometimes you just don't want to do that, so you can add your Microsoft apps to this. So basically what you're gonna have to do, obviously there is no Netflix or Crunchyroll on here, obviously. So basically what you'd want to do is go to Microsoft apps and download Netflix. So you can go to store, let me grab it here, just download whatever app you want, and then you're gonna have to do multiple steps to actually get this working. So you're gonna go start up your run. Basically go to %app data. It'll open your roaming. Just click right here at app data, whatever you guys want to call it. Click right there, go to local, and there will be a file called packages. So just go to packages, and let's say you wanted to do Netflix, right? So you're gonna do Netflix. Just search up Netflix. It's gonna be this random code, and just double click on this and leave this folder here for now. We're gonna use this in a second, right? And then you want to open another file explorer. I'm sorry if I'm going a bit too fast. I just wanna I'm just gonna do Netflix. I'm gonna add Crunchyroll later. Steam Link is fairly cheap, so I just wanted to do that. I'll leave this in the description below, but you want to go see program files, Windows app. If you try to follow this through going to this PC, see program files, it won't work because this folder is hidden. You might have to give yourself permissions, but it's fairly easy. So if it doesn't work, let's say you're here, for now I can see it, but if it doesn't work, you just go properties, and then it'll go through this thing, and then you just add there's a little text box will appear. I can't really show you that right now, but most of the times this will work. Just type in everyone in the text box, and then it should work. So you just copy this, paste it in here, Windows apps, and it'll take you to this folder. Basically what you want to do from here is search up Netflix or whatever app you're doing. For in this case we're going to do Netflix, so the same number.netflix thing should appear. And then you'll see this Apex APPX manifest. Just open it with Notepad or something. Whoops, don't want to open it with this. How do I open it with Notepad? What the heck happened? Okay. Oh well, it opened like this. That's fine too. Basically now you want to do just search up app ID. So it should be application ID. It's kind of complicated to find here, but you can just go through this as well. Description Netflix. You gotta read through this. If something is wrong, otherwise it usually just opens with open with, there we go, Notepad, there we go. That should be a lot easier. Application, find next, right here. So it says application ID Netflix.app. Okay, so you got to remember this. You can leave this open, Uh, you don't have to copy it, but I'm just gonna leave it open just because, for now. Basically now we have all the information we need to add that to this. So open Steam. You gotta go to add game, add a non-Steam game, and just add any application. Okay, so in this case, just add a random application. I'll do for example, let's do this one. Okay, GOG Galaxy. That's where I have Witcher and everything. Just check mark that. Add selected programs. Right. Then you go to your library, look for this program, go to properties. Since it's gonna be Netflix, I'm gonna name it Netflix. Take out everything from start in, right? And then you're gonna take everything out here. Now you want to paste this shell AppsFolder package. So this is like a little template that you're gonna use. So paste this here, right? So package name. So before the exclamation point, what will go here is this package ID, right? So the way you can copy it is just click here, and then it'll go, percent blah 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 packages, and then after that you'll see a lot of the numbers you saw. Just copy that and replace it instead of package. So paste it, and then there is the app ID. Basically the app ID is gonna be the notepad we opened. And this might be different for different apps. For some apps it might be just .app. It depends. So whatever app you're trying to use might have this. Just use that and then remove the app ID. Keep the exclamation point in there. Netflix.app, right? And then you are good to go. You can choose icon if you can download a different icon. And for now, just this case, I'm not gonna keep Netflix on here. I don't really use it, but for Crunchyroll, I might do that. Cancel it. Right now, I changed the name to Netflix, and here it is. So now it's in Steam. It's a Windows app, and if I click here, there we go. That's Netflix right here. It opens. So sometimes you see there's a fail to launch error. I haven't done this, but I have heard that if you do this, copy, and if you set launch option, do that as well, it should stop giving you that error. But anyways, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys, I think it still gave me that error. I'm not 100% sure. Whoa, what happened? My holy, okay. Anyways, it still gives this, but I don't think this should be option. But since it is in Steam now, you should be able to just stream it from straight from Steam, and it should be on every time you want to launch it. You can just launch it from here, and you don't have to go to your desktop and do things. And since it is a Microsoft app, it should be easier to control through your controller, since it would be considered an application and not a browser window. But anyways, thank you very much for watching, guys. I'll be leaving these two text things in the description below. So yeah, it should be fairly easy to do. If you guys have any tutorial ideas or want to learn anything new, let me know. And enjoy your pretty cheap Steam link. See you guys later in the next one.